Want radiant, glowing skin without breaking the bank? Look no further than Rice Water Toner. This age-old beauty secret is packed with anti-aging benefits, skin brightening power, and deep hydration, and you can make it right at home with just a few simple ingredients. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a DIY rice water toner that's suitable for all skin types, plus why it's a game changer for your skincare routine. Whether you're struggling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or dry patches, rice water could be your new best friend. Here's what you'll learn. 1. What makes rice water toner a skincare miracle? The benefits you didn't know you needed. 2. How to make rice water toner at home in just a few easy steps. 3. How long can you keep your rice water toner? The shelf life and storage tips to keep it fresh. Now, let's start with benefits. Rice water benefits. It brightens and evens skin tone, fights wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates and locks moisture, reduces redness and inflammation, boosts collagen production, and promotes a smooth, glowy complexion. Next, how to make rice water toner. The easiest method. Ingredients. Take 1/4 cup of rice, any type, preferably organic, 1 cup of water. Instructions. First, rinse the rice thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, in a bowl, add the rice and water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. For stronger infusion, you can soak it for a few hours. Strain the rice water into a clean container, store in a bottle or jar, and refrigerate. Pro tip, you can add aloe vera gel or rose water to enhance hydration. It's optional. Shelf life. Keep your rice water toner in the fridge, and it should last up to 5 to 7 days. Make a fresh batch each week for the best results. So, are you ready to glow like never before? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more easy skincare tips and tricks to keep your skin healthy, youthful, and radiant. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who need a skin transformation.